How to change language in Zombeast FPS Zombie Shooter. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are on Zombeast FPS Zombie Shooter and want to change the game's language, first of all launch the game open. From the main homepage, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open settings, where you'll need to tap on the language option. Tap the arrow right next to the language to select a different language. Once you do that, you can tap on the back button to apply the change. And right after you do that, you will be able to change the language setting in the game. As you can see it on the screen, I have now a different language interface. You can repeat the process in order to change to a different language of your preference whenever you want by repeating the step. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.